Hi and welcome to Marc Sailing. I'm Marc.
And I'm Marc. This is a quick part 2.5 to our lesson from last Friday. I'm posting this today as it's too short for a normal Friday video and I have to post it sometime. I'm going to let Marc explain how distances work on maps. Handing off to you, Marc.
We learned how to put courses in the chart and how to measure courses out of the chart. Then the next thing is you want to know how long it takes you going from here to here, or example from here to the next shallow waters, which are here. You know the speed of your boat, but you don't know the distances. To measure distances, you need dividers, but not normal dividers like this, which have a pencil on one side to draw, but with two pointed ends. And with these dividers, you go from your position to the point where you want to know how long the distance is. Now you have it here in your dividers. Now you have to go to the left or the right end of the chart, but never to the top or the bottom. On the left and the right end, each minute of latitude is 1 nautical mile. As the latitude circles have different lengths, for example on the North Pole there is no length, the latitude circle on the North Pole is simply a point, and on the equator it's about 40,000 kilometers. There on a latitude circle the minute is not exactly 1 nautical mile, but on the meridians there is always 1 minute, 1 nautical mile. So we have now the length, the distance in our dividers, and now we go to the right part of the chart, to the right end, put it here at one start, for example 50 degrees, and then how far we reach up, and now we see it's 5, 10, 15 minutes, 19 minutes, which is exactly 19 nautical miles. So now we know from here to here it's exactly 19 nautical miles, and this you can write in your voyage plan or on some piece of paper, and if you know your speed, you know how long it takes you. That's it. That's how you measure distances in a chart.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, watch our other videos. This was only part 2.5. You can follow us on Twitter and Facebook, links down in the description below. And, as always, fair winds to you.